Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add sounds to the soundboard in a Discord server. And to do this we'll need to click on the arrow on our server that I have right here. You also need to be owner or have a permission to do that. So click on that arrow, now navigate to the server settings and here select the soundboard. You can upload your sounds right here, so browse through the files and I should have one right here. You can see how long the sound will last. You can also adjust it by moving it like that. And now let's name it. Then we can relate any emoji for it and adjust its volume. When it's ready, click on upload and here it is. You can click on the sound to hear it. Also you can adjust it. Now go back, and to use this sound we'll need to enter any voice channel and then click on the open soundboard right here and scroll down to your own server. Here it is, and we can click on it to play the sound. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.